How to see someone repost on TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see someone repost on TikTok. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the search icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. Now here, once you're inside the search section, just tap on the search bar and simply enter the username of the person whose repost you want to see. And now here, once you are inside their profile, you can just tap on it to open their profile. And here on their profile, you may see different tabs. So there you just have to tap on the repost tab, and there you will see all the post that has been reposted on TikTok by that account. And that's it. That's how you can see someone repost on TikTok. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.